In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This video introduces Surah Dukhaan, the smoke, a journey through the mist of doubt into the light of certainty. This is based on the Tafheem al-Quran by Maulana Maududi. Surah Dukhaan is named after the smoke manifest mentioned in verse 10. It was revealed during the late Meccan period, when hostility against the message intensified into active persecution by the Quraysh. As rejection grew violent, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ sought a sign to soften hearts. He prayed for a famine like the one of Yusuf ﷺ. This resulted in a devastating drought, where the starving saw the sky as if shielded by smoke. The suffering reached a breaking point, causing people to cry out in agony. The chiefs of Quraysh approached the Prophet ﷺ, begging him to remove the calamity and promising to believe if the torment was lifted. The divine logic of Surah Dukhaan was not merely to address the famine, but the disbelief that caused it. Before addressing the famine's outcome, Allah clarifies 5 crucial truths to dismantle the doubts of the Quraysh. Truth 1. The author of the book. The Quraysh accused the Quran of being a composition of Muhammad ﷺ. The reality is that the book acts as its own evidence. Its content and wisdom testify that it is the word of the Lord of the worlds. Truth 2. A blessing disguised. The people viewed the revelation as a burden bringing division and hardship. In reality, the descent of the Quran was an act of pure mercy, revealed on a blessed night to warn humanity and save them from destruction. Truth 3. The futility of resistance. It is a delusion to think one can defeat the messenger. Revelation occurs at a specific hour, when Allah decides the fate of nations. Allah's decisions are firm. Fighting the divine decree is not possible. Truth 4. The illogic of polytheism. The Quraysh admitted, Allah owns and controls the heavens, earth, life, and death. If He alone is the master, on what logic do they worship others? Following ancestors blindly is foolishness if they lacked understanding. Truth 5. Provision for body and soul. Being Lord means more than just providing rain and crops. Allah's mercy demands that He provides nourishment for the body, intellect, and soul through guidance. Sending a messenger is an integral part of Allah's lordship. The verdict on the famine is a divine insight. Lifting the famine will not change them. The promise of faith during pain is a lie. They will revert to denial once ease returns. This minor punishment warned them. If they ignore it, they must await the major strike. Echoes of the past. Musa ﷺ and Pharaoh faced the exact same trial. A noble messenger came with clear signs. They promised change during the plagues, but rebelled when they felt safe. Their stubbornness led to total destruction, a lesson the chiefs of Mecca are ignoring. The denial of the afterlife is mocked by disbelievers. We die only once. The rebuttal is that the universe is not a toy. It is built on truth and wisdom. Denial of the afterlife implies the Creator is unjust, but a wise system demands moral accountability. The day of sorting is an appointment. Resurrection has a fixed time ordained by Allah. At the court, no friend can help a friend. Influence and lineage vanish. Only those whom Allah has mercy upon will be saved. The guilty face their fate, while the righteous receive their reward. The final word. The Quran is revealed in Arabic to be easily understood and taken to heart. The message has been delivered, and the arguments are complete. The warning. Wait then. Indeed, they are waiting. The Prophet ﷺ acts in patient trust of Allah's timing.